Howdy folks, Garron, Carlin, Memphis Creek Outdoors. Back out driving around here this morning. Got green signals right here in the area right at this time. So I'm on jump a little bit further west and see what's going on. 17A, I believe it was, went through about 45 minutes ago, and of course there was 3 or 4 different trains early hours of the morning, but according to the train log it says there's more trains on the way or soon to come, so we'll find out just exactly how accurate that is. Alright, I've made it down here in the bottom, headed west. I got a red light just down west of me right here. So we got somebody eastbound fixing to be through here. Alright, we got somebody clearing the milepost 472 eastbound coming up this way. I'm on the opposite side of the track from where I usually am most times. I'm on the south side of the track here at the milepost 470. So I'm in the shade, tracks in the sun. So I'm going at it at a different angle right here, kind of looking more up with where the crossing is.
17A location for another one.
Alright, that was 16Z eastbound here at 470 first thing this morning. And still got a red signal right here in the bottom looking west. I hear the next train blowing down there at the probably milepost 475 there close to Pocahontas and Coal Chute Road. Alright, here comes the other eastbounder. Train number 2. Clear milepost 470. This looks like probably a big coal train. $732, I believe he cleared. If it ain't, it sure looks like him anyway. Come easing right on up in here. She's stretching as far as I can see. That's looking west right there. Most of the time you see a BNSF 732 or 733, you better look out. Whether they load it or not, they're gonna be humongous trains. Alright, the train is now out of sight in both directions. don't know for sure for a fact right at the moment, but I'm pretty sure that he is running so slow due to 16Z just went by here ahead of him, or there may be somebody stopped up there on the siding at the 468 westbound waiting to head down this way. Usually something involving a meet. That's about the only time that I ever see or catch 732 or 733 running this slow. Alright, I barely see the rear coming down the stretch there looking west. Looks like a couple of units down there. Or I would think so anyway, on the train this long. Man, this train's so quiet, it's almost like it ain't even going by. Yeah, it looks like I see a couple units coming. We're approaching, gonna be about exactly on 10-minute time frame with this one. To where usually 732 or 733, either one wouldn't be much more than, I don't know, maybe barely 2 minutes time for the entire train to go by. And there's the rear power. As I usually say, my goodness. And that's the way it's going to be the biggest part of the time when it comes to 732 or 33. Big coal trains. Well, I'm standing on the south side of the track, as I mentioned earlier. Kind of in a little bit of a marshy slough area. The surface of the ground just barely will hold my tripod up. The legs of my tripod wants to go down. We still got a red signal looking west. I would imagine here pretty quick or fairly soon be time for A95. It is 10:35 a.m. and A95 is located Salisbury to Shawali. A95 clear, eastbound 470. A95 just cleared the 470, heading back westbound. He's fixing to come down across the trestle bridge here at Cypress Tank and get ready to clear milepost 472. A95 clear, westbound 472, Cypress Tank. I'm elevated in my spot back up here at the milepost 468. Behind me over my shoulder, this is looking west. We got 289 fixing to come up the stretch right here in front of us looking east. Well, folks, I certainly appreciate y'all watching here once again. Until next time, I encourage all of you to get outdoors every chance that you possibly get. I'm Garron Carlin, Mosses Creek Outdoors, Rails Division, Norfolk Southern, Memphis West District, and I'll see you next time.